The first step is to sign up for Bluehost, and because you're following along with this video, you're getting an exclusive discount that gets you access to the lowest price available. To claim your exclusive discount, just go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description. Once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. Once you're on this page here, go down and click Get Started. And that'll bring you down to the plan options. Let's start by choosing the billing term. By default, it's set to 3 years, which is a pretty long commitment, but it does lock in a lower rate over time. You've also got a 1-year option, and that's the one I'll go with. Below that are the plans. For most people just starting out, I'd recommend the starter plan. It gets you fast storage, a free domain, and plenty of room to grow. And if you ever need more down the road, you can always upgrade later on. So I'll go ahead and click Choose Plan. Next, you'll land on this page to choose your free domain name. Your domain is just your website's address. To grab your domain name, type the name that you want into the box here. I'll go with Caleb from Medics Media. And I'd recommend leaving the extension set to .com, since it's the best fit for most sites. Below that, you'll notice this option that's toggled on by default. It says Add Domain Privacy and Protection. When you register a domain, your personal details like your name, email, and address normally become public. And by keeping this on, it keeps your details hidden and cuts down on spam. It does cost a little extra, right around $12 for the year, so it's totally up to you. In my case, I'll leave it turned on. Once you've typed in your domain and made your choices, head up to the top right and click Search for Domain. After that, you'll be brought to the checkout page. The first thing to do here on the left is create your account. You've got a few options on how you can create your account, but I'll go with email. I'll start by entering my email address and then creating a password. Below that, you'll see some recommended add-ons. These are all totally optional, so feel free to look through these and add any that you like. Then at the bottom, you'll enter your billing and payment information. Once that's filled in, scroll back up to the top and review your order on the right. As you can see here, I'm going with the 1-year starter plan. I've got my free domain for the first year, my domain privacy and protection, and a professional email trial. Just keep in mind that the email trial is free for 1 month and then renews at about $3 a month. Once you're happy with everything, scroll down and click Submit Payment. And with that done, your Bluehost account is officially created.